Oh, God. I can't do it.
It had been close, but no banana for Jeremy and James. So now, watch and learn.
That's a much better start. It's gonna work. Come on, Challenger. Think of the glory, think of the honour.
130. What's that? I can't read it.
139.
It was afterwards, when we were making the front of my car more streamlined, that I learned a bit more about my salt guru.
How much of your life have you spent on the flats?
This is the first time on the salt.
Still, he was pretty good with sellotape, so with my grille sealed over and my tyres pumped up, I set off for another run.
Snaky start, come on. Oh no, a bit of tape's gone. I can't press the pedal any harder. Come on, keep climbing, keep climbing, keep climbing.
Hop, do you have a knife I can borrow? There you go, challenge it, breathe!
With my tyres pumped up to the point of exploding, I set off after Hammond.
Into the pages of history. Synchro's getting a bit weak on second. That's 153, 4. Come on, stretch it, stretch it.